Welcome to dlcomputers.com. This is a tutorial to show you what I actually do when I'm building a computer. First, get a case. Alright, this is to show my customers what I actually do when I'm building a computer. Most of this stuff is hands-on experience. I deal with it almost every day, so I know basically what to look for when I'm going out to buy a system. I always could expect static to come from this case also. First, we got the case. Right, this here is my standard case. Right, comes with everything installed. Inside. Speakers in there, mouse,